Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can add your Wise account to your PayPal. So what you need to do, there are two ways. First up, you need to go to recipients, and from there what you need to do is you have to put in the Wise tag of your payer account, or let's say you just click on add recipient, and from there what you do is you select whatever is your currency. Let's say your currency is USD, and then you click on enter bank details. So if it's you, someone else, or business, let's say it's myself, and then from here you see the type of wire or Swift things that are available. If you don't see Payoneer over here, then what you need to do is go to you have to go all the way back, and then what you need to do is you have to click on card, and over card you'll see that there's something called add card. So you have to click on add card, and then you have to put in your PayPal details and see if it's approved. If it is, then your Wise account is successfully added to PayPal, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.